Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. So this is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. Okay, so our title for today is Organizing a Fun Day. I think that sounds interesting, right? Yes, that's true. Okay, so yeah, let's just see you in the learning outcomes. All right, so simply learning outcomes are the things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So you will be able to, number 1, talk about organizing a sports event. 2, use time expressions and future forms to plan a schedule. 3, create a sports schedule using speaking and writing skills. Okay, that's good. So let's just jump into the warm-up activity that we have. Okay, so in this activity, we simply have to answer these 3 simple questions. So question 1, have you ever participated in a sports event? Yes, you have. Okay, that's perfect. Well, question 2, what sports would you include in a fun day? Like imagine if you are like planning or organizing a fun day. What kind of sports would you include? Maybe swimming. Okay, that's so good. And yeah, question 3, what activities do you like in sports events? Yeah, you like the competitions. Okay, yeah, it's actually exciting. Yes, that is true. Okay, well, right now you just have to go and watch the video for 3 times, and after coming back, we will answer these questions together. So please, before going, let me just read the questions with you. Question 1, what sports do Ali and Sarah want to include? 2, what time will the event start? 3, who will make the schedule? Yes, now please go and watch the video for 3 times and I'll wait for you.
Let's plan a fun sports day for our school.
That sounds great. What sports should we include?
How about football, basketball, and a running race?
Good idea. What time should we start?
We can start at 10 a.m. and finish at 2 p.m.
Okay, I'll make a schedule and you can invite everyone.
Let's plan a fun sports day for our school.
That sounds great. What sports should we include?
How about football, basketball, and a running race?
Good idea. What time should we start?
We can start at 10 a.m. and finish at 2 p.m.
Okay, I'll make a schedule and you can invite everyone.
Let's plan a fun sports day for our school.
That sounds great. What sports should we include?
How about football, basketball, and a running race?
Good idea. What time should we start?
We can start at 10 a.m. and finish at 2 p.m.
Okay, I'll make a schedule and you can invite everyone.
Okay, welcome back. All right, so question 1, what sports do Ali and Sarah want to include? Yes, football, basketball. Yes, and the running race. Perfect. Okay, question 2, what time will the event start? Yes, at 10 a.m. Okay. Question 3, who will make the schedule? Yes, Sarah. Thank you so much. Okay, that's really amazing. So let's just see you in the vocabulary part. Okay, well, so let's learn some words related to our topic. Well, the first one is tournament. Please repeat after me. Tournament. 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 Yeah, this word means like competition between, could be like either single players or group of people or like teams, for example. Tournament, like بطولة. Okay? Yeah. Then we have schedule. 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 Yeah, when you like, for example, put schedule for things that you have to do, it's like you're listing them. Competition, 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 okay. Teamwork, 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 like when you work together, okay. Registration, registration, registration. Yeah, this word means to be or like to put your information and name, for example, in a formal list to register or to be registered in something. Okay, yeah, medal, 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 yes. This is like, for example, when you win a race, so you take a medal, okay? Well, trophy, trophy, trophy. Yes, just this is as you see it in the image, this is the trophy. Scoreboard, scoreboard, scoreboard. This is the board or the part that shows the score, the final result. Winner, winner, winner. Referee, referee, referee. This is like the judge of the court or the game, not the court. I mean like the court that we play in. So for example, the football court, we have a referee. This is the judge of the football court, the person who judges the game and the players. Okay, yeah. Announcement, announcement, announcement. Equipment, equipment, equipment. Okay, it's like a tool or something. Okay, so let's have our first practice. Okay, and simply, as you know, we just have like list of words and sentences. Simply, we have to match them together. So number 1, a prize for the best player or team. Yes, trophy, thank you. 2, a list of times for activities. Schedule, okay. A person who makes sure players follow rules. Referee, thank you. Well, a big sports event with many games. Tournament, well, the final result in a game. Scoreboard, all right. A small prize given for winning. Yes, medal, well, the act of signing up for an event. Yes, registration, well, information given to people. Announcement, good job. Well, final one, a group working together to win. Yes, it is a team work. Thank you so much. Okay, you're doing amazing, by the way. Okay, so let's just see on the phonics part. Okay, so here we have in the phonics a comparison between the soft C sound and the hard one. Okay, so let's listen to the sound of the words and compare. If I say competition, competition, or schedule, schedule, here the C is pronounced as K sound, right? But listen, if I say cycle, cycle, this is the soft one, okay? So competition, schedule, cycle, right? Okay. Well, then in the reading here, we have a small text that we have to read together. Then we're going to answer a couple of questions. So, our school is organizing a big sports day next Saturday. There will be a football tournament, a swimming race, and a basketball game. The event will start at 9 a.m. with an opening ceremony. The first game will begin at 9:30 a.m. After lunch, there will be a relay race. The winners will get medals and trophies. Everyone is excited and ready to have fun. Okay, that's amazing. So let's answer the questions. Well, question 1, what sports are included in the event? Yes, football, swimming, and basketball. Yes, good job. Well, question 2, what time does the event start? Yes, 9 a.m. Okay, and what would the winners receive? Like, what would they take? Yes, medals and trophies. Okay, you're doing more than amazing. Okay, let's see on the grammar part. Well, here in the grammar, we just have to learn how to use the future tense in speaking about event planning. So simply we have 2 points. Use will to talk about planned events, okay? And of course, will is followed by the verb in the base form, I mean without any additions. So for example, the event will start at 9 a.m. Okay, so here we have will and start without any additions, just start the verb as it is, okay? Well, and then we have going to for personal plans. Like for example, I'm going to play football in the tournament. This is a personal plan. So let's have our second practice. Okay, and as you know, we just have to choose the correct answer. All right, so simply number 1, the event start at 10 a.m. This is a planned event, right? So, yes, well, good job. 2, I play in the relay race. This is personal plan. I'm going to, thank you. 3, the winners, yes, will get medals, okay. 4, she announced the winners. She's going to announce the winners, okay. We prepare the equipment in the morning. We're going to prepare the equipment in the morning. Good job. Well, you join the competition. Will you join the competition? Okay. 7, the team train every day for the event. Is going, yes, to train every day. Okay, thank you so much. And I will see you in the speaking part. Well, so simply I just need you to create a sports schedule, all right? Well, so let's imagine that you're going to create a fun day or like organize a fun day. So, first thing I need you to decide what sports will you have in this fun day or in this schedule, What sports will you have? What time will you start? And what time will each game begin? Okay, like you have to set exact time for each game. Okay, yes, and please, while doing this activity, you have to speak the words or the vocab. No, تاني. Please, while doing this activity, you have to use the vocab we learned and the grammar, of course. Okay, so let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yes, that's awesome. And yeah, this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next session, inshallah. Don't forget your homework. Bye.